innovative, empathetic, and holistic. Hi, I'm Sapna Agarwal, Creative Director at ANSA Architecture and Interior Design Consultancy, and we do projects pan-India, which are hospitality, residential, and commercial. We're right now working in 39 cities and 6 countries. In my career of 22 years, we have completed about 2,367 projects till now, and every project is very close to my heart. But still, I'll say there's a couple that I'm working with, a South Indian couple whose residence we are making in Noida, which is a duplex. They're at the pinnacle of their careers. But besides being that, the simplicity that their house reflects, it's just so beautiful. It just talks about their grounded values. That I think has been a lot of learning in my career. I think in one of my projects, I've used glass as a partition. It just does not even only act as a partition, but when it rolls back, it can become like a backdrop. It just camouflages with the backdrop very well. That I think came out very beautiful because besides being so simple, it made the whole room so multifunctional. The way it camouflaged in the backdrop, being transparent, was just making it look, the whole room started looking one. And when we just rolled it back open, the whole idea of dividing the room in two parts, giving privacy, and also keeping it open was something very beautiful. Glass has unique qualities which just aid in execution of diverse themes. It's transparent and the openness that it offers. There's a lot of reflection and light enhancement that the glass comes with. It has a lot of versatility in an application. It's not just transparent, translucent, but also opaque. There is durability, stability, and a lot of aesthetic appeal. I think it's one material that can blend with any kind of a design concept that we use. Glass to me is a canvas of infinite possibilities.